Okay guys, the car we're working on today is a 2014 Dodge Journey. The little small car lot that I do all the work for has brought me this car, and it has a busted front bumper cover. These things are plastic. A lot of people just throw them away. We're gonna fix this one. Just stick around and I'll show you how I do it. Okay guys, first we have to start by removing the bumper. On these vehicles, you got to take this grill out first. Just pop these little clips up right here. Just pop the center up, then you get underneath the bottom and pull it out. Sometimes they can be a bit of a bear. I always just lay my clips right up there. Now we can move on to the sides. We'll go ahead. There is 3 plastic clips here. We'll get those removed, and then there's it's either a 7 or a Phillips head right up in here that you have to remove. Once you get that screw out of the sides, usually you can just pull straight out on the bumper and it'll pop out. Then you have to disconnect your fog lights here. Just push the tab in right there and pull back. Like so. Separate everything from the bumper, the grill, this little plastic piece here, the fog lights. Take all this stuff off the bumper. Okay, now we have the grill out. We'll just place it there. There's that. And there's that. Daggone it. That sucker's in there. You got these 2 little clips here. You got to push them down through there. And then this one goes in. So when you put it back in, just stick this in this hole here and then push this back up through there. Okay guys, what I do now is I'll get these cracks back together like I've done there, so that the crack is close together there. Just weld it. It'll heat the pin up and sink it down in there. Then you wait just a couple seconds and let off of it. And then I'll go along, I'll do several areas. And these things just melt right down into the plastic. and then it'll hold the bumper together. And then we'll do this here in just a minute once we get all of this done here. Okay, I'm gonna scuff up the areas around this, because what I'm gonna do is make a fiberglass patch to put in behind this. And you gotta key the surface. So I'm just taking some 80 grit paper. So it'll scuff it up. Okay guys, sorry about that. I didn't realize my battery had died on my camera. After I did all this, I made a fiberglass patch and just put it in here. I scuffed up the plastic and then put the patch in there. Now we'll roll the bumper over and you see what we have here. And what I'll do is I'll take some fiberglass filler and fill in all of this. But first we'll have to sand down this bumper everywhere where it's cracked, and we'll have to go around it and repair it on the outside here so that the cracks don't show through the paint or the filler. So we'll get started. Okay, what I'm doing here is going over all the cracks and just melting the plastic back together, just so it won't crack. You know, I'm gonna go over it with some filler. This right here just assures that the cracks won't come back through the filler or the paint. And you need to do this on all the cracks. Okay, I have filled in all the areas where I'd sanded it smooth. Just taken some filler and filled in everything. Now we're going to sand it down nice and smooth so we can get it ready for primer. Okay, we got everything sanded down smooth, and now I've gone over it with some finishing glaze. Now I'm going to sand this back a little bit, or sand this back smooth, and then we'll be ready for some primer. Okay guys, as you can see, I've got it all done, got it all primed. We're gonna get ready to shoot it here. Just wipe it down with some wax and grease remover and then we'll get ready to shoot it. Okay guys, we're here on the Dodge Journey. This is the finished product. I've got everything put back on it, got it mounted back to the vehicle. And there you have it. Another job done. If you like the video, please like, please subscribe, please comment. Thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you next time.